What are volatile organic compounds in plant networks? Imagine plants whispering to each other through invisible signals in the air. These signals are called volatile organic compounds or VOCs. Plants releases these tiny airborne chemicals to communicate with their neighbors and other creatures nearby. Since plants can't walk or talk like animals, VOCs act as their way of sending messages. When a plant gets attacked by insects or faces disease, it releases specific VOCs to warn others. These signals travel through the air and reach neighboring plants, prompting them to prepare defenses. This way, plants can react before the threat even arrives, kind of like a biological early warning system. VOCs are small molecules that evaporate easily at normal temperatures, making them perfect for airborne signals. They belong to different chemical groups like terpenoids, phenylpropanoids, and green leaf volatiles. Each group carries different messages depending on what the plant needs to say. For example, some VOCs tell other plants to produce more protective chemicals, while others attract helpful insects. When a plant is under attack, it releases a unique blend of VOCs that act like a chemical alarm. Nearby plants detect these signals and boost their own defenses, making them less likely to be harmed. This priming effect is like giving them a head start against pests or diseases. Scientists have also found that VOCs do more than just warn. Some VOCs attract pollinators or beneficial predators that eat pests. For instance, when a plant releases certain VOCs, it can lure predatory insects that hunt down herbivorous pests. This creates a strange but effective biological network where plants, insects, and microbes interact through scent signals. Interestingly, some plants produce VOCs that do quirky things. For example, petunias releases VOCs that can sterilize parts of their flowers to prevent microbial infections. This shows that VOCs can have many surprising roles beyond simple warnings. The range of VOC signals is usually limited to a few meters, so plants mostly communicate with their immediate neighbors. Often, they releases complex blends of different VOCs, which can carry detailed information about the type of threat or environmental change. This chemical chatter creates an underground network of communication that challenges the idea of plants as silent, passive beings. Instead, they are active participants in a strange biochemical social system. They send out scent messages that help them survive threats and even influence insect behavior around them. Understanding VOCs can help us develop new ways to protect crops naturally. Farmers could use synthetic VOCs to boost plant defenses or attract helpful insects, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This strange plant communication system shows how clever and adaptable nature can be. In the end, VOCs are like secret words that plants use to stay safe and thrive in a world full of dangers.